If you want to allow audio and video calls from everyone on x.com, also known as Twitter, this quick guide will show you exactly how to change the setting in just a few clicks. This is a really useful option if you want more people to be able to reach you with calls, instead of limiting it to a smaller group. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open x.com or the X app and make sure you're signed into the account you want to change. On the left navigation bar, look for the More option and click on it. This will open a menu with additional account settings and tools. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the account controls, privacy options, and communication preferences. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, click Privacy and Safety. This section controls how your account interacts with other users and what kind of access people have to you. Now scroll or look through the options until you find Chat. Click on Chat to open the messaging and calling settings. Inside the chat settings, you'll see a section called Allow Audio and Video Calls From. This is the setting that controls who can call you on X. To allow calls from everyone, simply toggle on Everyone. Once that option is enabled, your account will accept audio and video calls from all users based on X's calling features and your privacy preferences. And that's it. You've now allowed audio and video calls from everyone in x.com or Twitter. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fast tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.